Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Media. If you are a new subscriber, please do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button and like this video for more. First of all, today I'll be teaching how to create Instagram carousel post using Pixellab. Okay, first of all, you open your Pixellab, then as you can see, then you click on this text, then delete it. Then after deleting, click on this three dots, then go to image size, then click on 2440, then this will be 80. As you can see, this ratio 3.1. then click on OK. This is what you get. As you can see, this is what you get. Then click on shape, then any color you want. Sorry. Yeah. As you can see, this is what you got. Click on that. Then from gallery, take any of your logo. If you don't know how to create a logo, you can go to my previous video and see how to create a logo. Then so this is my logo. Then as you can see, I have to adjust it small and place it here. Then click on text, write my name. My name is my graphic name is Prevailing Media. No, I mean Prevailing Graphics. And as you can see, this is what you got. Then click on A, then go to font and click on search America Captain, then click on it. The font will be available, font link will be available in the description. Everything used here will be available in the description, so please so as you can see, just go to color. Then I will be using gradients in my color. I will use this, then I will reduce the size more. So I reduce, then I'll move here and make it smaller. So please, if you are a new subscriber, please do well and subscribe. So adjust it. After doing that, if you have a motto, you can add your motto on it. Like my own, I have a motto. So I have a motto for my graphic design. So my motto is return. So I will have to return your interest into reality. So this is what you get. Then mark this, then go to fonts and click on any one of your choice. I'm going for this program. Then go to color, then I'm going for gradients. Then I'll move to here, I prefer this. Then go to size, reduce the size and place it in the below it. So as you can see, this is what you got. Then as you can see, then so this is what you got. If you like, you can put something like a C like company name, then click on here. If you like, just move ahead here, then you see this like company badge, then go to font. Okay, I'll be going for this Amirat board, and go to color. I go to gradient again, then I pick this. So, and after then move it here. So this is what you get. Then after that you lock it. Then go to shape again, then click on here. Sorry. So go to shape, then off this opacity, then go to stroke, then give it something like this, then place it here. So you get something like this, then go to this. You have to adjust it. And go to color, and I'll be going to gradient again, then move here. So this is what you get, then lock it, then save it. So after saving it, you go to Play Store, then search for guide. Search for guide maker. For Instagram, then see here. And after that, you see here, click on this place, and click here. After that, you install it, then click on open. Click on open. Then after that, you see something like this, guide maker, square piece, but click on that panorama here. Click on here, then allow, then take the picture you just save, then pick it. So as you can see, then you can see you can divide it into 4, you can divide it into 3, but we are going for 3 because it will be good to go for 3 because it's square. Instagram picture is square. Then click on this markup here, then you have to watch AD small. Watch this. After watching the 8, click on this here. So as you can see, I've cut it. So you can go to your Instagram and post it if you like, but make sure you post it from the back. You post it from the back like this. Let me see. You can go to, maybe just head to your Instagram account. So after editing, just go here, click on post, and then you can see. So you post it from the back. Post it from the back like this. So like this, just move it to one. Post this first. Just post. Yeah, I've posted one. Then click on here. Click on post. Click on the middle one. Then post it. So click here again. Click on. Then click here. As you can see, then head to your profile. You get something like this. As you can see, you get something like this. Please, if you are new subscriber, please do so, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.